The South Hill community comprises 14 conveniently located residence halls. This community offers a variety of housing styles for students to choose from. The community features apartments, suites, townhouses, and traditional style housing. It also includes a 24-hour service desk and community kitchen in Annapolis Hall, laundry amenities in Hartford Hall, South Campus Dining Hall, walking distance to fitness facilities, and Washington Quad. The North Hill community consists of 3 low-rise buildings that are all single-room options for students. These are good options for students who are looking to stay on campus past their first year and want to have a single room. This community features smaller private living, air-conditioned lounges, and exclusive study areas, as well as the community service desk located in Prince Frederick Hall. The Leonardtown community offers apartment living for undergraduate students with on-campus advantages and apartment-style independence. Apartments in Leonardtown are furnished with solid oak furniture. Bedroom furnishings include a regular twin bed and mattress, a desk set, and a 4-drawer dresser for each student. South Campus Commons and the Courtyards. Students living in these communities sign 11.25-month leases with a private management company rather than completing our residence hall and dining agreement. This community features private bedrooms and air-conditioned buildings. The floor plans range from studio to 4-bedroom units. It has 3 24-hour service desks, and it is close to South Campus Dining Hall and Market.